Traci Martin with Intech Freight Logistics, a certified MercuryGate value-added reseller integrator.
This video is to demonstrate how to add a shipping order from the route board in MercuryGate. So I'm going to go ahead and hover over this plus sign up here next to menu on the left. We're going to add shipping order. It's going to bring up a box that prompts you to enter the beginning of your enterprise name. For our demonstration, most of our customers begin with Sandbox. So I'm going to go ahead and type in sand, and you can see it brings up 4 options here. And I'm going to select Sandbox Customer 1. Now we're in our Add Shipping Order screen, which you can see here under Billing. We've got our enterprise name already selected. This specific enterprise has a default bill to location that automatically populates and the payment terms. And that can be configured for you as well. So the first thing we're going to put in is our origin or our pickup. You can type it in manually, or you can select from a list of saved locations. I'm going to select Mentor, Ohio as my pickup. Here you can see we have a pickup date of today, which automatically populates. You can use a multi-date if you were going to set this as a pickup today through tomorrow. You could put this as 9/16. I'm going to keep it as just for today, and I'm going to say they have from 8 to 5. Now we need to add an item. You don't have to enter a description. However, mine auto-populates. You do have to enter an actual quantity of pallets. So I'm going to put 3, and I'm going to put a weight of 1,500 pounds. And all of these fields in this screen can be set to be required, or I could say some of these fields, or all of them. So that if there are certain fields you want filled out, they would be required in order to be able to follow through and actually create the shipping order. I'm going to go ahead and put inches in my dimensions. Now we scroll down to the destination or the drop. And again, you can manually type it in, or you can pick from saved locations. I'm going to pick from my saved locations, Albany, New York. Again, you can select a multi-date range. I'm just going to go ahead and leave mine at 9/19, but I'm going to say they can pick it up from 8 to 5, or excuse me, drop it from 8 to 5. So now I've filled in anything that's required to create this shipping order. You can see we have this drop down here. You can create copies of the shipping order. So if you wanted to create more than one using that specific origin and destination, you can. You would just type in, say, 2 or 3 and then create, and it will create whatever number you select here. I'm just going to go ahead and create 1. So here it gives us a little pop-up that says SBSO 13459 was created. This is my newest created load, which is the execution side of this. This is the shipping order side. So if I select this little drop down, you can see this SBSO 13459 is my shipping order, and it is created. And so it's in a pending status with no rate. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments or email us at tms_solutions@intechlogistics.com. For more information on Intech's MercuryGate partnership, visit www.intechfreight-logistics.com/TMS. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.